Blessings everyone, this is Fabian from Fabian Electrical Services Inc. And in today's topic we're going to be running down some of the best tools I like to use. The number one tool I love to use is my pliers. It does not matter the name or the type or the brand. I find that as long as you're able to use your pliers accordingly, nothing will go wrong. As you can see, I have a nick inside of the pliers itself. It was because of a wire that was live and it was cut. So that's why I have that nick. Otherwise than that, these pliers, I just recently got them and they work perfect. They're fine. However, I do prefer the Klein type, which I do have inside of my bag, but I prefer to show this set of pliers because they're a little bit brand new. The next one up is a set of GE commercial electric pair of wire strippers, and these wire strippers I use on an everyday basis. They come in handy when you're trying to strip your wires, especially when you're in tight spots. And also these set of wire strippers, they work great once you're starting to, for instance, if you're in the commercial industry and you have to phase your wires and stuff like that, you have a whole set of cables to phase out, or you need to make a head, which we call a fish head. These set of wire strippers will come in handy at that point once you start to select a set of runs that you have to make your head. It gets the job done. So this is my second tool that I like to use on a daily basis. Next up on the list is my Milwaukee measuring tape. I find that the Milwaukee measuring tape, since I have been using it, it's been the best so far. However, this is a 25-foot measuring tape. I do have the 28-feet measuring tape, which was used yesterday, but cannot find the actual measuring tape I want to show. Reason why I like to use the 28 feet max is because it gives you the extra length that you need without the measuring tape collapsing on you while you're trying to measure long runs. So for this reason, I like to use the measuring tape. And again, I prefer the Milwaukee brand. It's durable from all the other set of measuring tapes that I've used throughout my years of working. Next up on my tool list is my ratchet cutters. These work great. I was first introduced to them a couple of years ago when I first got into the trade. They work great with bigger cables, 250 kc mil, 3/0, 4/0 cable, and so on. They will give you a clean cut. They're great to use once you're doing the service work. Great on the wrist, as I find when I use other hat saws or whatever it is that's not required, it does affect the wrist. So ever since I've been using these ratchet cutters, I haven't stopped using them. I do recommend on getting the best that is out there. They work great. And also keep in mind, when you do cut, make sure it's a clean cut. You want to make sure that your wires are not disassembled once you're going to be entering them into the lug. And again, that's it for the video today on my tool list. And I would like to thank you guys all for taking the time out to subscribe to the channel and to support the channel. Also, for all those who hasn't subscribed, you can subscribe to the channel, or you can become a member of the channel today, and I will catch you guys on the next video.